If you use social media to share links with your audience like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you might only get one link in your bio. That's where link in bio tools come in. They let you create a mini page with multiple links. So your followers can click and go to your website, shop, videos, or anything else you want to share. Two of the most popular tools for these are Linktree and Bacon's AI. But which one is better? In this video, I will explain the difference in a simple way so you can choose the right one for your needs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online without stress. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in description to get the special offers for tools like Linktree or Bacons. By using those links, any discounts or bonuses, they will be applied automatically so you get the best value as possible. Now, let's start by talking about Linktree. Linktree is one of the oldest and most well-known link in bio tools. When you sign up, you get a single page where you can add unlimited links like your website, latest YouTube video, shop link, affiliate pages, and many more. It is very simple to set up and easy to use, even for the beginners. Most people can create a basic page in just a few minutes. Linktree also offers a integration with many popular platforms, including Spotify, YouTube, TikTok, and email marketing tools. This means you can connect your link page to your other online channels with a few clicks. The free plan lets you add as many links as you want, and paid plan unlock better analytics, custom domain, and more design option. However, Linktree's focus is mostly on aggregation, showing your visitors a list of buttons to click. If you want to sell digital products or accept payments directly on your page, you usually need to link out on another platform like Shopify, Gumroad, or PayPal. It doesn't handle sales natively on the page itself. Now let's talk about the beacons. Beacons is a newer link in bio tool that has become very popular, especially with content creators and influencers. Like Linktree, you can add unlimited links, social icons, photos, and buttons. But Beacons goes a step further by letting you sell digital products, accept payments, and collect email lead right from your page without sending people somewhere else. That means if someone buys a guide, a service session, or a digital download, they can do it on the Beacon page itself. Beacons also offer more design flexibility. You can build a more branded page with blocks, colors, fonts, images, and even video backgrounds. This makes your link page feel more like a mini website than just a list of links. You can also use email sign up forms, built in analytic, and even simple AI tools to help with the content creation. When comparing ease of use, Linktree is usually simpler and faster to start with. Its interface is clean and straightforward, which is great if you just want a basic page. But beacons, on the other hand, may take a little more time to set up at first because of its extra feature. And that's okay if you want a more powerful and flexible page. Customization is another big difference. Beacons generally offer more design control, letting you fine tune the layouts and styles. Linktree, on the other hand, still has customization option, but it relies more on template and preset design. If you want your page to look totally unique or match the brand of your style, then beacons usually give you the more freedom. Monetization is where beacons really shine for a creator. Since it lets you sell product or accept the payments on the page, you can earn more money directly without redirecting your audience to another site. Linktree can still work for monetization, but many users need to connect the external system for purchases, which might mean extra steps and links. Analytics and integrations matter too. Linktree has this strong connection with many platforms and gives you basic analytic like click counts and traffic sources. With Beacon, You can also get the detailed data and often and built-in tools. So you can learn more about what your visitors do on your page without extra tools. In short, if you want a simple, familiar, and easy link in bio page, Linktree is a solid choice. It's fast and it has the strong integration and works well for general creators and businesses. But if you want more customization, built-in monetization, and more advanced pages experience, Beacons is often the better option for creators who want to sell, build email list, and turn their link page into a small business hub. Thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the difference between Linktree and Beacons so you can choose the best tool for your needs. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe the easy access tech for more simple tutorial and tools review like this. Don't forget to use links in the description. Any special offer and discount will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video where we explore more tools to grow your online presence easily.